Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, you will be seeing how I'm using Notion to plan my CSC syllabus tracker. So let's start with this video. First go to this left side panel, go to this templates tab. You can see various templates are there in this education section. Then you should select this lessons plan. Through this lessons plan, we'll be creating our study schedule template. So now you can see this template has been available to us. Now I don't want this created tab, so I'll just delete it. You can also add new tabs, or also you can, if you don't want any of the existing tabs, you can easily delete them. So I will keep my title as CSC syllabus plan, and then I will arrange all my subjects. So I will open my CSC notification and those subjects which I have not started, and I will type them here. So this is the Indian culture, and then I will keep the lesson date from when I have to study this. So I'll go to this August 2020. And then I will select one date, 14th August. So now you have created this task that you have to study Indian culture on 14th August. You can also change the logo. Similarly, you can also type from which section you want to study, like NCERT. And then also you can add some typical notes to this, like what are your learning objectives. So I'm trying to list out my learning objectives, and then I'll list out my learning challenges, like what are the challenges I face while preparing this Indian culture. And then the remaining template material, I will delete them. You can add and remove any of the template ideas. It is all customizable. Now I'll go and add a new task like modern Indian history. And similarly, I will do those same things again, like learning objectives and learning challenges and all. Similarly, I'll keep on adding all those to-do tasks which I have to complete in this month. And there are three areas, like you can see progress, completed, to be started. So you can keep tags to the task. You can add easily learning objectives, and also from where you have studied, what you want to study, what doubts you have. You can easily all create such things in this Notion app. Similarly, you can add a highlight, like I have to complete at least half of the syllabus before the prelims. You can also select by status here, so you can see this. I have two tasks that are not started, one is in progress, and also I can add some tasks which I have completed. You can also create such columns like 20% completed, half completed, 75% completed. So you can add all those statuses here. Here you can click this plus button. Similarly, you can also change the view, like table, board, calendar list, gallery. If you choose this calendar mode, you can see this. In this calendar mode, it has listed out whatever task I have to complete in this particular date. Similarly, I am adding more of the task, like what are the remaining tasks that I have to complete, and I can add them, and also I can add the logo. Like you can see how colorful it is looking, and it is very good for productivity because you will be very interested to prepare like this. You can see I have added various tasks, and they are not started, in progress, or completed. So this was about the Notion app and how you can manage your syllabus through using the Notion app. Hope you guys felt motivated after watching this video. If so, do comment in the comment section. If you appreciated this video, please give it a thumbs up, as it motivates me in creating such videos. You can also share your views, queries, etc. in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel to get such regular videos. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and we will meet again in the next video. Till then, keep hustling.